Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We just hit a milestone, guys. I am so happy. Look at me feeling myself now. It's not been easy, guys. It's been a long time coming. Like, in fact, I feel like this milestone has been long overdue based on the fact that this channel is over a year old. But I have to take the blame for this. I have been so inconsistent. It got to a point where I was very inactive on this channel for over 5 months. I think 5 months, 6 months. I was just so inactive. I was no longer posting videos, and if you ask me now, I can't even tell you why. I would say I had a lot going on at that time. I had so many other activities, but that's still not enough. That is still not enough reason for me to abandon my entire YouTube channel just like that. But you guys still kept on subscribing. At that point, we were at 200 and something subscribers, but how my subscribers kept on coming and you guys kept on showing the love, kept on coming on to subscribe to this channel even without any activity going on it. Like, it is so mind-blowing. I feel like this is just pure love, right? This is no longer a case of being active and getting subscribers in, because at that point I was just so inconsistent. I was not even showing up at all, but I kept on getting newer subscribers every single week. So I am so happy for my 500k subscriber. Oh my god, did I just say 500k? Let's just say 500k subscribers. We are not yet there, but soon. But for now, we've just hit a milestone, which is 500 subscribers. 500 whole people are following this channel, learning from here, loving me all the way through this entire journey. And I am so excited. I am so grateful. I am not taking this for granted, you guys. I am so happy to have you all in this place as a community, as a family, and I am so excited for what the future holds. So thank you all once again for following this channel. And I don't know if I should make another promise, because I am used to making promises that I'm going to change, that I'm going to become consistent, and then at the end of the day oh my god, it's a big time shame. I'm not even proud of that, right? But yes, I'm still going to make a promise today that I'm going to start being as consistent as possible. It's not going to be easy. I mean, I've already had content plans that I've already drawn out. I even have a timetable on my shooting days and posting days and all of that. But I just pray that God helps me to stick to it this time and not just say it and then ghost on it again, right? But I promise to do better. This is 2025 and I am promising to do better for the sake of this channel and for the sake of you all following me, because I mean, it's not easy to just follow someone even though it is free, right? It's not easy to follow someone and you're not getting any content from that person. It doesn't make sense. But I'm going to try as much as possible to become consistent once again on this channel and to dish value. So guys, I'm using this opportunity to not just thank you, but to also ask you to drop any content idea, anything that relates to international passport, traveling abroad, studying abroad, because that is exactly what this channel is all about. I feel like I post on the business aspect because I also plan to make this channel about business opportunities, DIY and all of that. But it feels like I'm only concentrating on passport related content and traveling abroad. But I mean, this is what this channel is about for now, right? Except if something changes in the future, I'll also let you know. But for now, if you have any content idea relating to what this channel is about that you want me to talk about in the nearest future, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Or yes, just drop it in any of my videos, in the comment section of any of my video, or even in this one. Just drop it there. I would see it and I would definitely make a post on that. But until then, thank you all so much for sticking with me even when I was not showing up, liking my videos, for sharing it. One of my videos had up to 700 views right now. I am so proud. Like, I never even I never even thought about it. I never even knew that this I will one day have a video that is up to 700 views. But this morning I was checking through my contents of my videos here on YouTube, and I saw that one of my video has up to 700 whole people looking at it, viewing it. Another one has 500, another one has 300. Like, oh my god, 500 people have seen this video. It is so amazing. I am so thankful and I appreciate all of this, all of you viewing. But all of you 700 people, why have you not subscribed? Because it means that 200 more people have not yet subscribed. But you're looking at my video, why? Please subscribe. Subscribe, hit on the subscribe button and the bell button also, so that you will see or get notifications anytime I post anything on this channel, right? You guys, thank you so much. I love you all, and I'll definitely be happy to see each and every one of us grow here on this channel. Bye guys, I love you.